Hello guys, this is Claude from droneeffectstravels, and I'm going to do something a little different for you today. It's going to be an unboxing. Well, they're all over, so I thought I'd just pile on. I got a new camera, and let's do an unboxing, see what it's like. I've had it for about a week now. I've just been kind of sitting on it, waiting for the appropriate time to do it, where I got some privacy and a few minutes, so let's get it opened up here. Right here it is. It is the Osmo Action 2 with a front screen. So let's get it opened up here and see what we got here. We'll cut out the paper. Get it opened up here. We'll see what's in the box here. You can see right there's the box. It's kind of DJI-ish. Your camera and the battery and the front screen. You can see Action 2. So we'll get her opened up here as soon as I figure out where to go here. There we go. We'll get her opened up and see what's in here. All right. We're gonna go this way so you guys can see it. We got. Obviously, it's going to be our instruction sheets and everything for it. And right there it is. There's the camera. Right here. There's the camera. We'll get her, we'll pull the paper off it here. Ooh, this is a neat sound. But right there it is. Pull this off. Then my first thoughts on this little guy is the weight of it. It's quite substantial. You can see right there, that's the camera. You got your one button controller right there. Then next is the other part to it, which is the front screen. You got all these papers over here. There we go. And my dog come down and visit us. Pull that off. There's the front screen. And what's really cool about this thing here is I've been studying on it. I always do. Is in the bottom. Watch this. Look there. Look out. Look at that. Right there it is. How substantial the magnet is. Because yeah, it's I mean, right there it is, just like that. I mean, it just locks right on. So right there, right there's a face lit up. Let's see what else we got in here. We got some more stuff here. And this is the expensive. They have to offer two different kits. This one here came with I ordered it up with the front screen because it's the only one you can get right now. So here's a base right there. Let's see what we got here. This should be another mount for it, which it is. Here's your tripod mount. What's really cool is, see there we can, whoops, see? You can take that. There you go. You can build it. There's a tripod mount. And we go over here. This is your cable you're going to need to charge the batteries, as well as yeah, basically charge it up. Because so right there's the cable you need to charge it. And we have some more stuff here. They give you a fair amount of stuff for this. And it's really cool is the your GoPro mounts will fit on this camera as well. Because right here's the piece. Right there. That's so you can use your GoPro mounts. And we got one more here. to open up. Now we're in a period of the next few weeks. I will this is your lanyard that you can hang this around your neck, and just like that. You put this around your neck and get it right here, and you can hang your the camera from it right there. So you get all this with it, and this was $519, which I did buy it myself, pay for it myself. So look how strong that magnet is. That's something. But yeah, this is the DJI Osmo Action 2. Even want to stick together no matter what. So Action 2, and this is just a quick unboxing. The period of the next few weeks, I will take it out, and I'm going to try it out with some and give you some of my thoughts on it and all that. I've seen on YouTube issue with the overheating and stuff like that of them, but you got to go for it and try it out. But we'll see what happens here in the next few weeks. I know I still have, and I love using right here. Here's the Osmo Action, and this is the 2, and you can see big difference in them. This is still my favorite cameras. I actually got a pair of these. So but you over the next few weeks here, I'll try to get some more videos up actually using this thing. Right now I got to get it programmed and get it updated and everything else to use it, so, and charged and the whole bit. So but I just thought I'd put this out there. Everybody is doing these unboxings, so I thought I'd pile on and join the group. It's going to be an interesting camera to work here over the next few weeks, and for the summer. As everybody know that follows my channel, I ride, do quad rides and all that. So this would I would be able to use this too. And I use this camera right here when I do my rides. This is the Osmo Action, obviously. And you can see, we put it together here a minute. Look at there. About the same size when it's all together. So, but this is the latest and greatest one of it. So, look. So, this is the Osmo Action 2, and what I'm going to do is I'll get it charged up here in the next few hours and start playing with it, get it programmed, get it ready. So just wanted to put this out there, and if you're new to my channel, if you can, take a minute, if you will, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates, as well as there'll be more of product stuff like this, product reviews coming out. So thank you very much for watching my quick review, and as always, God bless, and everybody have a great day. And I gotta put this in there. If you're new to my channel, if you will, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates, as well as share. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.